Well, regardless of that, the house gets put on the market on August 30th, which surprised everyone, even Cody's daughter, McKelty. Kody doesn't have a lot of great relationships with his kids, and obviously he has said on the show that gossip is ruining his family, so he doesn't tell anyone anything, which is stupid because he's the biggest gossip of them all. But within 2 weeks of Kody putting the house on the market, Christine filed a lawsuit against him. And I didn't think that the timing was a coincidence. I feel like Christine saw the house go on the market and she knew she had to file the lawsuit because he was trying to get rid of assets. And she's suing him for debt that he owes her for child support and medical. How child support cases work in the state of Utah is that when someone files for child support, they must first establish paternity if the person that is the biological father is not on the child's birth certificate. We all know that Christine did not put Kody on birth certificates. So she filed a lawsuit basically to establish Kody as the biological father, and then also for child support, child custody, and parenting time, along with back child support. So in the state of Utah, once paternity is actually established, the parent that is awarded custody has the right to seek arrears for 4 years in the past. So she has the ability to go back to 2020 and she has the ability to seek any debts for not only child support but medical expenses. And so in the state of Utah, it's a requirement that a parent not only pay child support, but that also both parents are required for to have medical insurance or contribute to medical expenses. In the state of Utah, you have to first obviously establish paternity. Once paternity is established, then they work through the order to determine what the child support will be based upon who is awarded custody. And the individual that files the petition for both custody, paternity, and child support can also request arrears, meaning retroactive child support. In the state of Utah, they allow people to go back 4 years for 4 years from the date of the filing for retroactive child support. So Christine can go back to 2020 and state, I want retroactive child support and medical payments for from 2020 to today, meaning that she's seeking Kody pay her a debt that she believes is owed to her. So they won't know the exact amount due until Kody is served in this case and until his income is established. He will have to provide to the court income and asset information, which is put into a calculator. And then the calculator is what will set up how much he has to pay her on a monthly basis. It is more than likely, due to the fact that Kody has completely abandoned his child and doesn't have a consistent relationship with her, that Christine would be awarded the primary custody of Truly. She then would be the one that would receive the child support. She is not going to agree to a 50-50 agreement because Kody wanted 50-50 because if two parents both have 50-50, theoretically they can split the cost of the care of the child, okay? With a child custody agreement, though, they have to have a bedroom for that child. They have to have specific guidelines for when the child is going to be with the father or the parent. So right now, Kody doesn't have a specific place for Truly in his home. He doesn't. He doesn't have a space for her designated for her room. There's a bunch of issues that Kody's facing when it comes to Truly that will not go in his favor in this case. The facts are that Truly is also 14 years old and she can tell the court she doesn't want to live with her father. Okay.